So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you a review on a Havells SS390 ceiling fan. So this is my Havells SS390 ceiling fan review after 5 years. So as you can see, first of all I bought this fan in 2020 in Maharashtra only. As you can see, so this is my Havells SS390's condition after 5 years. So as you can see, this color is sparkle brown color. So I don't know this color is still available or not, but whatsoever might be, in SS390 my favorite color is the pearl brown color, which looks really good. This color is the metallic version of the brown color, means the regular brown SS390, that is a glossy finish. It doesn't glossy finish, this is a metallic finish. So this is somewhat like an anti-dust finish, only this metallic finish fans are only. So this is my Havells SS390. So first of all, let me say you, I have not faced any issues with this fan. Means there is no such issues are there like that. Means motor warming too much. Yes, the motor warms slightly. Means the motor gets slightly hotter compared to the high speed, because obviously this is having so much high speed. That is, this is a 390 to 400 rpm fan. So in that case, it's acceptable. So this is the fan. As you can see, if I'll show you. So this is my Havells SS390. So without wasting any more time, let's first show you the performance of this fan in full speed. So guys, as you can see, this is the full speed of this fan. So the speed of this fan is, if I just turn on this light. So let me just, so you can see the strobes, this light also. So the speed of this fan is around 390 to 400 rpm, and air delivery is also really great. Means this SS390 gives really better airflow. Means if you guys like super high speed fans, then this Havells SS390 is a perfect fan here, because this fan has a super combo of high air pressure and high air velocity. So that's why this Havells SS390 gives a really great performance. And if I'll show you, you can hear in the camera already the airflow. Airflow is really great, and it's really nice. The airflow is not bad. So this is the fan. So this is my Havells SS390, working really fine. It's now still working really fine. So let's stop the fan. So guys, now I stopped the fan. So now let me just show you the things below the bottom canopy. So guys, as you can see, first of all let me show you, this is the code usually Havells gives. Use blades instead of the same code. Actually this had a cushion like thing, means Havells usually give, but the soft padding. So while servicing, these soft paddings will become so stuck, so it stuck with these blades. So that's why what the blade only got stuck with the motor. So I have to just remove it, and due to that the soft padding got damaged. So I removed it completely, and this is the screws. These screws are like the Crompton pull frees. As you can see, the washers are prefixed, so that's why you need to pliers to remove the washers. And this is the blades, as you can see. If I'll show you, so you can see here my this SS390, this it usually having a paint chipping. See, it started to chip here the paint, as you can see. I don't know why this occurred. So you can see here also some these things are there. Fan is dusty completely. So the servicing video is coming soon of this fan also. Then as you can see, this blade also, see here these things and whatsoever. I don't know how this occurred. So this is the things of this fan. So I don't know why this occurred. I used normal water only to clean, and even I use same water of the high speed decor, and these I used to maintain them properly, but still don't know how it occurred. So this is the fan. So you can see this is a Havells capacitor. The capacitor is unoriginal, but it's a same brand only. It's Havells 2.5 capacitor, and these Havells capacitors are decent. Means best capacitor I personally feel in PVC is the Keltron or the Tipcon is best. And as you can see, this is the connector. You can see this is the color coding. The white is the common, the yellow is the auxiliary, the red is the main winding, and you can see these both the wires are phase and neutral. This connector is unoriginal, and yes, this fan this connector only having the Crompton high speed Decora's brass connections. Actually this high speed Decora's capacitor I have fixed in this fan only for running, and after that the high speed Decora capacitor becomes so big, so I have to just again I usually had this connector, exact connector I got with my high speed. Now the high speed is also having this same connector, but same connector only I have fixed in the high speed also, but this connector is homemade by me only. So this is the level. I'll just show you. This is the level, as you can see. Havells SS390 class D insulation. I will show you. So guys, you can see here the Havells India. So this is the fan, and you can see this is the safety screw of the Havells, and this is the M8 motor bolt. So and this is the cap. The shackle is unoriginal. This shackle is of my polar ceiling fan, the polar ceiling fan. But because this fan's original shackle is with the high speed, because that shackle was not coming, so I have to just do it. I just do it like that. So this is the fan, and you can see the motor. This fan looks somewhat big, means the blade looks wide and the motor looks very big when you compare with the high speed. So as you know, this fan motor looks very big, and this fan somewhat looks like Crompton Jura only. Means this is identical brother of Jura only. You can say it's competitor of Jura. Means like the old Jura, you can see it also have golden lines and these wide blades. So this is a very good fan, this Havells SS390. This fan is better than the Orient fans and whatsoever may be available in the market. So you can buy this fan also now in the 1-star era also, no issues. So this is the small video of this SS390. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, press the like button, like, share and subscribe my channel for more fan videos and repairing videos like this. So thank you guys for watching.